McPherson from McGrath Estate Agents.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 209 Earl Street in Berserker.
Situated on a fully fenced 685 metres square allotment, this 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home that is super neat and tidy is really one to inspect.
Come on in and have a look.
This property's recently been updated with fresh paint, new flooring and a new roof. What I love most though is it hasn't lost its charm, with original French doors and ironwork throughout.
So guys, there you have it, 209 Earl Street in Berserker. If you'd like to view this fantastic property, please don't hesitate to call Anna or myself. Thanks for viewing, see you on the next one.